What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Little Things. For those of you who don't know, my name is Reusuable, and on this channel what we like to do are some cooking videos, some sewing projects, and some embroidery projects. If that's something that you might be interested in, make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also turn on post notifications, that way next time I post a video, you don't miss it. So what we're going to be making for today's video is a reusable tote bag, just like this one, out of this cute fruity fabric that I got at a local thrift store. It was once a tablecloth, but now it's going to be a cute shopping bag that you can reuse at the grocery store or any thrift store, whatever shopping purposes your heart desires. So if you want to learn how to make a shopping bag just like this one, make sure to go ahead and stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. What you're going to need for today's video is some fabric, some scissors, some pens, a sewing machine, a tape measure, and some thread. Okay, so first step to sewing the bag is to cut out the fabric. Whatever shape you desire is the shape that you're going to cut out. Today I'm using a pattern of 15.5 by 18.5. I am tracing the pattern and cutting it out. For this bag, I'm doing double-sided on each side, so right now I'm cutting two sides of the fabric. After you are done cutting out your fabric, make sure to repeat that process twice so you have two sides of the bag. Next step is cutting out the straps of the bag. What I'm doing for this step is using my yardstick to measure out the width of the strap. I'm going to make my straps about 3.5 inches wide. That way when I double them up, it's about 1.5 inches. If you're going to be using a pen that does not disappear, make sure you are using it on the wrong side of the fabric. Here what I am doing is ironing the edge of the fabric to the first line that I drew. I'm doing this on both sides, then folding the fabric in half and ironing the strap in place. That way I can go over it and sew it in place. Next is to sew the bag together. I have the right sides of the fabric facing each other. I'm sewing along the edges of the bag, the side, the bottom, and the other side with a zigzag stitch to reduce the risk of fraying.
Anxiety is coming back. I'm feeling lonely, stale. I know
With the wrong sides of my bag facing outward, I am folding down about 2 inches, then going over the top of the bag with a straight stitch that is about 1 inch down, just to ensure that my bag has a bit of a cleaner look.
we're broken, you have nothing to do. You can find me lost, I can't find you too. I feel like shit, I feel depressed, I'm stuck in my head.
Once I have sewn the top of my bag, I then place what is going to be my handles in the spot that I like and sew them in place.
I feel like shit, I feel depressed, I'm stuck inside a Roman mess of cigarette butts and temporary love. I feel like shit, I feel depressed, I'm stuck inside. I'm in lust with you, indulge your soul and waste my time. I see colors, I'm colorblind, I'm blind to love, I'd rather feel, but you're not here, now I smell. Why am I in love with things that I hate? Instant gratification, I can't fucking wait. I hate this, I should love that. Bones ache, miles away, gone for now, mental state. Lazy and dumb, young and belligerent.